Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and today I'm back with a purple haul. So I'm having this box right here that was sent. So let's see what all do we have in here. Maybe this video would be long, so I would cut it short in two different parts. So let's see what all do we have in here. So starting off with my favorite, this is the Face Shop Chia Seed Hydro Toner. So I've already emptied the sample sizes and the full size, and so I ordered yet another full sized one. This is really good. It's like a basic kind of toner, a more of hydrating and soothing kind of toner. So this is my second bottle and I really like it as it's very soothing and calming on the skin, and it does not contain any active ingredients in the formula because the other serums etc. that I'm using already have a lot of active ingredients. So I don't want to overload my skin with it, and so I just want a basic hydrating toner, and so I like using this one. So that's the chia seed toner. Then I also got this shampoo from Good Vibes. This is their ginger anti-dandruff shampoo, and this does contain 120 ml of product. I haven't tried it yet. Doesn't smell bad, it just smells like ginger, that's all. I really like ginger actually, especially in my tea. So the thing is, I am fed up with the dandruff issue that I'm facing, and so I thought to give this one a shot. If you've tried this, do let me know in the comments how did you like it. So this one wasn't costly at all. It's priced at 165, but I got it on a discounted rate. So that is the ginger shampoo from Good Vibes. Then from Good Vibes I was also sent these two products. The first one is called as their brightening gel scrub. Okay, it's their gold brightening gel scrub, and this is the Good Vibes gold gel mask. I haven't really used it. They are all seal packed as you can see, but the gel scrub retails for 270 only, and the gel mask retails for 290 rupees. But always you can find Good Vibes and the products or any brands on Purple at discounted rates, so you need not pay MRP and you would always grab these on low prices. So those were the two products. And then lastly from Good Vibes I'm having their hydrating body yogurt. This does contain 200 grams. It's a nice and big tub and retails for 475 rupees, and that is how it looks like. All you rose lovers, you're gonna love it. I personally am allergic to roses, and so I'm not going to be opening this up. Maybe I'll give it to someone of you in a future giveaway, but yeah, that's the next product. Moving on to makeup, I'm having these two products from Purple. The first one is the Purple Going Bananas Bake and Set Banana Powder, and that is how pretty the outer packaging is. So this is basically a banana compact powder, and that is the lime colored outer packaging, and you do get a puff inside, and that is how the compact looks like. It is definitely very soft to the touch, and yeah, I feel it will be a really good powder. It's very soft to the touch. Next product is their Power Couple 2-in-1 bronzer. Sadly this came a bit shattered, but this is again a 2-in-1 product. So you do get an illuminator side and a bronzing side, but both are shimmery, so you can even mix it to make your own bronzy kind of highlighter, and that is how it looks like. I cannot show it to you upright, otherwise it will fall into pieces again. So those are the two shades that you get. That's the bronzy side and that's the highlighter side. I feel like you can mix both the shades. So if you don't really like a shimmery bronzer, you can just mix the two or use them separately as your highlighters, because that's going to look very beautiful, because both of them are shimmery ones. So that was the next product from Purple. It's priced at 449 rupees. And I have my fave in a travel size, and this is the Garnier Micellar Water. You might be knowing by now, in every haul I have this because I always run out of it. And this is the small variant which contains 125 ml. I so love it. Definitely recommend it. Up next, I'm having a liquid lipstick from NY Bae. These are their Confessions of a Lipoholic Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick. So I think I have around 7 to 8 shades in this range, and I did order more for that lipstick video basically. So here is one of that. So this is in the shade Snuggle Secrets 15. It's a very beautiful brown color. It looks very gorgeous and stunning. Now this color in comparison to Give Me Mocha is just slightly different, not much, but this is more of a brown tone, like the base is more brown, while the Give Me Mocha has more of a pinky brown base. That's the basic difference, but both of these shades just look gorgeous for that everyday wear, and I would highly recommend you all to try this one out. These are priced at 220 bucks, but they are very affordable, and you can always grab them on discounts, and that is how beautiful the shade Snuggle Secrets is. So I have swatched all of the shades that I have in one single lip swatch video. You can check that out. And yeah, that's the beautiful brown shade that I ordered separately because I wanted to have this one too. And then lastly I'm having Give Me Mocha. So this is like my third tube because I like it a lot, and it also dries pretty quick in the tube itself, and so I thought of repurchasing it. Give Me Mocha, you all know it by now, so I'll quickly give you all a swatch comparison right here. So that's Give Me Mocha, and that one was the NY Bae one. There's just slight difference in both the shades, but both are equally stunning. That's my fave, Give Me Mocha. This just can be worn with any damn outfit. It looks stunning. So that was the last product I have in this part 1 haul. The rest products I will share with you all in my part 2 video. You can find all the product links mentioned in the description box, along with my lipstick name and everything. It will be mentioned in the description box. Kindly check that out. And yes, with that being said, I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.